My project is focused on a bacteria called Rickettsia rickettsii. It's a tick-borne pathogen that causes Rocky Mountain spotted fever. The long-term goal of my research is to hopefully identify some potential vaccine targets for Rocky Mountain spotted fever, just based on those host cell interactions. When I was looking at graduate schools, I just happened to take a look at labs at WVU, and Dr. Driscoll's lab popped up, and turns out that they worked with Rickettsia. And I was like, wow, this is perfect. The whole department just seemed so welcoming and supportive that I knew that this was a great university to attend for graduate school and to help me further my career and my interest in pathogen research. Back in March, we had active cell cultures growing. We had all of these plans for research over the summer. Unfortunately, the labs had to shut down initially, and it was definitely hard trying to keep working towards research and just kind of reschedule all of our plans, and also keep reading papers, just trying to stay in that mindset of continuing research. And then I came back to Morgantown, and we kind of had to start from scratch again. We didn't have any cells going. We didn't have a lot of the equipment that we needed. And so we had to order a lot of supplies, and we had to start our cell culture up again. And our cells didn't want to cooperate very much. These cells, they are living organisms, and they don't cooperate sometimes. So it took a very long time to get our cells up and going again, which really postponed our research. So that was definitely hard to deal with, but now it is up in full swing again. So we can get back on track and just kind of try to play catch up and just keep moving forward. Personally, I definitely have struggled a lot through the pandemic so far. But what I actually found is that, you know, what I said before, it's okay to ask for help and just be open and honest with faculty members and your friends, and just try to build a support group. I really just would love to be a professor. That is my long-term goal. WVU has really helped me on my path, because I have been able to teach a few different classes. I have been able to teach a biology lab, 220, the living cell lab. I got to teach that for 2 years. I also got to help Dr. Driscoll teach his Intro to Bioinformatics course. And I've also been able to teach a discussion-based course for biology honor freshmen. And they have all been drastically different in terms of teaching experiences, but they have helped make me a stronger educator and also just a stronger graduate student as a whole.